Good morning everyone. This is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss the remaining keywords of chapter 2. Yes student, now we will discuss about the nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is the important cycle student that helps to maintain the nitrogen in the atmosphere. Means nitrogen is maintained in the atmosphere with the help of nitrogen cycle. In this student, the nitrogen that is found in the atmosphere, it is taken by the microorganisms like the rhizobium, azotobacter and blue-green algae, and they fix it into the soil, and after it is taken by the plants, and from the plants we take it. But when the plants and the animals are died, then their body is again decomposed, and that nitrogen that is found in their body, it is again degraded and it is released in the environment. In this way the nitrogen cycle is completed, and in the atmosphere there is 78% nitrogen is remained. Next is nitrogen fixation student. It is the important process from which the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed around the root of the plants with the help of bacteria student like rhizobium and azotobacter. So it is the important process from which nitrogen is fixed around the root of leguminous plant student, pulses plants. Pulses plant means urad plant, masoor plants, gram plant, pea plant. They fix the atmospheric nitrogen because they have the bacteria around their root nodules. Next is pasteurization. It is the important process student from which the bacteria that are present in the milk, they are killed with the help of heating or chilling, and this process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. That's why it is known as pasteurization. And with the help of this, the milk is preserved. Means the process by which milk is preserved is known as pasteurization. Means the milk that we purchase from the market or from the dairy booth, then those all purchased milk are preserved student, and they are preserved with the help of pasteurization. Next is virus student. Virus, yes, it is the virus due to which we are not meeting really with each other student, and I am taking the virtual class. Why student? Because it is the microorganism that is causing corona. So what is virus student? It is the microorganism that is found everywhere on the utensils, air and water, and it causes the different diseases like common cold, flu and corona, and with this it also causes AIDS student. Next is pathogens. What are the pathogens student? Pathogens are the disease causing microorganisms. Means the microorganism that causes the disease are known as pathogen, like plasmodium, leishmania, and the virus like HIV virus, COVID-19 virus, they are pathogens. Next is preservation student. Preservation, it is the important process student from which the food is stored for a long time, like the sauce, jam, jelly, toffees, chocolates. They are preserved for a long time with the help of preservation. Next is protozoa student. Protozoa. What are the protozoa? Protozoas are the eukaryotic single cell living organisms, and they are found generally inside the water or inside the water sources like amoeba, paramecium, euglena. They are the protozoas, and in this there is one protozoa that is known as plasmodium, and that plasmodium causes us malaria student. Next is yeast student. Yeast. Yeast is a fungi, means it is the microorganism, and it is fungi, student, and it is used in the baking industries. And with the help of this, there is one important process occurs, that is fermentation, because it converts sugar into alcohol. Next is rhizobium. Rhizobium is a bacteria, student, that helps in the fixing of nitrogen, and it fixes the nitrogen around the root of leguminous plant. So it is rhizobium. Rhizobium is a bacteria, nitrogen fixing bacteria. Next is vaccine, or the vaccines. In nowadays, people are vaccinated, student, and they are vaccinated to protect from the corona. And in this, what are the vaccine? There are the different polio vaccine, hepatitis vaccine, and the tuberculosis vaccine, or TB vaccine, or tetanus vaccine. And what are the vaccines, student? Vaccines are the medicines that are prepared with the help of microorganisms, and when these vaccines are introduced in our body, then what they do, they produce antibodies, and with the help of those antibodies we are protected from the particular disease. So it is about the vaccine. And now we have covered all the keywords of this chapter, student. Now you will write these keywords in your notebook, and you will also learn them, student, because the keywords or the vocabulary plays very important role. If you know about the keywords or about the words meaning, then you can easily understand any concept. So you will also learn this. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.